Hello everyone. As you may know, due to the COVID-19 outbreaks, EagleFest is officially moving to an online format. This tutorial guide will allow you to become more familiar with Zoom video conferencing. For EagleFest, we will be utilizing Zoom video conferencing to connect students with student organizations. Once becoming familiar with Zoom, you can utilize this information to create your own events for meetings, socials, or whatever you may see fit for your organization. Each student within Eastern Michigan University has the opportunity to create their own Zoom account using their student email. This will allow you to unlock more features that are inaccessible in the free version of Zoom. Once signed into the Zoom app, you will be taken to a home screen. This home screen will give you 4 options. New Meeting will allow you to create an instant Zoom meeting. Join will allow you to join a meeting that is currently taking place. Share Screen will allow you to share your screen in a Zoom meeting by entering in the Zoom meeting ID or sharing key, and Schedule. This will allow you to create future Zoom meetings. For EagleFest, each organization will be given a certain day that they are going to be on Zoom. For this, you just click on the Schedule button, enter your date and time, and then click Schedule at the bottom of the screen. When you create a new meeting, you will have the option to turn on your microphone and video. Make sure that you have both of these settings enabled when you start your Zoom call. On the bottom left side of the screen, you will find settings for both your microphone and video. Security. Security is located on the bottom of the screen to the right of the video control. You will find a shield icon titled Security. By clicking on Security, you can enable/disable waiting rooms, allow other members to share screens, enable chat functionality, and allow members to unmute themselves. Under the Participants tab, you can view who is currently in your meeting room. By clicking the small upward arrow under Participants, you will be able to invite students to your meeting directly from the call. The chat functionality will allow you to send messages both privately and to the entire group. The chat will appear on the right side of the screen. Make sure to check the chat periodically while hosting a meeting to make sure to address any questions students may have for you. The share screen functionality will allow you to share your desktop screen with all participants on the call. This feature is especially useful for organizations that may want to share a presentation or recruitment video of their organization. By clicking the upwards arrow on the screen selection, you will be able to view any advanced settings for this screen share function. As we get to the bottom right side of the screen, you will find the Record feature. By clicking on this, you will be able to record the entire Zoom broadcast. This feature can be used to share recorded Zoom meetings with those who are unable to attend. Next to the Record feature is Breakout Rooms. This feature will allow you to create breakout rooms for members of your organization. This is useful for any activity-based programming that you may have in a recruitment event or a meeting. All the way on the right-hand side of the screen, you will find the Reactions button. Members can choose to send a clap or a thumbs up reaction. You can use these as a way to allow new students to ask questions if you decide to mute all members while hosting a Zoom meeting. While in a meeting, if you hover your mouse over participants' video, you will see a small blue box with 3 dots. By clicking on this box, you will see an option to make a participant a co-host. This will give your co-host access to all features that the Zoom host will have. I hope this was helpful for you all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all enjoy EagleFest.